Here we are on page 15, and I want to give you some hints on how you might calculate the little g. Now, what are we talking about little g? We're talking about the gravitational acceleration, or what's called the gravity field. And every planet, every celestial object has a gravity field from stars to planets to asteroids. And what we know is that we now have acquired two different formulas for calculating the force of gravity. And that convenience is going to allow us to calculate little g. So one formula for gravity is to take the mass of an object that is residing on a planet or near a certain object in space and multiply it by its gravitational attraction or gravitational acceleration. That's g. And we also know that Newton's universal law allows us to use this constant for the universe, 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th, multiply it by the mass of one object. In this case, let's make that be the same as the mass over here, that's m1. And then the second mass is, of course, the planet itself. And what you'll see is that the m1s cancel out, the mass of the object on the planet, and that's what that basically says, is that the acceleration is true for all masses in close proximity to a celestial object, a planet, or things like that. And all you have to do is take the gravitational constant, multiply it by the mass of the planet, divided by the radius of the planet. And while that's not something we do every day, it looks like you should be able to get through numbers 1 and 2 on page 15.